everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can factory restore your Safari browser, or you can put your Safari browser settings to default settings as it was before. So what you need to do is just go to the settings. Under the settings you need to swipe up and there's an app corner in the bottom. Just tap on it and here you will find the Safari app in the S section. So we'll go to the Safari app S section. Here the Safari app, you need to tap on it. Once you go to the Safari app, as you can see that there are a lot of options which you can select. Here you need to do is just in the history and website data, what you need to do is clear the history and website data. After clearing the website data, what you need to do is just go to the advanced section here, and here the website data which is stored after even clearing the data, you need to select and remove all website data. And by doing this you can actually restore your Safari browser if it caused any error or showing you any miscellaneous activities. You can doing this will help you out in making it into a default setting. So that's how you can actually do it. I hope this video helped you out and figuring out to clean the mess in your Safari browser. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.